ID DEAUTH is a design exploration project on the empowerment of street protesters worldwide with the backdrop of Hong Kong protests last summer. A single click button disguised as a Marlboro cigarette pack, you can attack and start to deauthenticate networks surveillance cameras depend on in three ways. First, the interface you see here is a mobile phone. You're scanning for the networks and devices nearby, and in selecting them, you can very accessibly deauthenticate them. You can also achieve the same effect through the safety and remoteness of a laptop. In few lines of code, we're looking at the access point systems to identify the networks of surveillance cameras. And then we start to deauthenticate by attacking them so that the cameras can no longer track the protesters on the ground continuously and consistently. With the onset of facial recognition technology, it's important that we safeguard the identities of protesters on the ground. Secondly, here you see probing. By automatically signing on and off the cameras, one can no longer access the networks and the systems that these surveillance depend on. The third way to attack is to create artificial Wi-Fi networks on the fly. You also have the ability to encode protest movement messages to a larger audience. We see glory to Hong Kong in this case that we created. Our aspiration for the project is to protect the identities of protesters on the ground by disrupting the police surveillance system and connection and connectivity to continuously track protesters, starting with a single button embedded in an everyday object. Thank you.